Hi everyone, I'm Jayadhar Gupta. Today I'm going to talk about something that becomes kind of headline news every year in the months of October and November. This is related to air pollution, and more specifically I want to talk about paddy burning. What is paddy burning? So paddy is the rice crop. It's grown in eastern Pakistan and of course Punjab, Haryana, UP. There is a minimum support price that's offered by the government of India, which is the reason that farmers love this crop. We actually grow more rice than we actually require in our country. A lot of it actually goes waste and gets destroyed in our warehouses. But I don't want to get into the politics. Essentially, each year the farmer sows the paddy crop around the monsoon time. The crop matures in late October, early November, and the non-basmati crop more in October, and the basmati crop in November. The farmers use harvesters to harvest the paddy. There is some husk that is left on the ground. The farmers don't have enough time or labor. Actually, probably the labor is the greater problem. They don't have labor to remove the husk from the ground, and what they do is the easiest way to turn the field around, and what's something they've been doing for generations now, is just burning that husk on the ground. The problem is that in mid-October the wind directions change, and they are out of the northwest, and this creates this huge combustion event in northwestern Punjab, and the winds are also out of the northwest. So the entire Grand Trunk Road of India, which runs from Amritsar to Kolkata, and just imagine, about half the population of India lives along this Grand Trunk Road. All our big industry is along this road. The population is along this road. Our children are along this road, and we create this huge combustion event every year. And the winds just bring it all the way across, and it doesn't stop at Kolkata. Believe it or not, it goes out from Kolkata and even Dhaka in Bangladesh over the Bay of Bengal, and it enters even Chennai. It re-enters, it goes over the Bay of Bengal and it re-enters in Chennai. This creates huge amounts of morbidity and mortality. This is a national health emergency year after year. And this is a big reason, this is one big reason that we have, we know that in 2020, 1.7 million or 17 lakh people died from air pollution in India. The paddy burning is a huge part of that morbidity and mortality, and creates episode 1. And I want to mention, it's not just the smoke or what I call black carbon nanoparticles that enter our air passages and through our air passages and our lungs, our bloodstream, that create health problems. Just imagine there is so much usage of pesticides and chemicals by the farmers that even that, when the husk is ignited, it combusts and is in the air, and we are downwind from all this pesticide, chemicals, and black carbon that get suspended in the air. And why is it a problem in October, November? Because there is a wheat residue or husk that's burnt in April as well. Well, in April, the air is warm and the wind speeds are very, very good, so it gets dispersed and we don't even realize that that there is some residue burning. But in October, November, the air is cool, and as a result of that, I spoke in my previous video about the cold air inversion. Once the air is cool, the pollutants stay closer where we breathe, and this creates episode 1 year after year after year. Now, we have been appealing to the government to offer a minimum support price on another crop, maybe pulses, or could be anything. I mean, we just need to disincentivize the production of paddy in Punjab and Haryana, because this creates problem for about 600 to 700 million people that live on the Grand Trunk Road of India. And it's not just along the road, it's 150 kilometers north and south of the Grand Trunk Road of India. huge health emergency created year after year after year. You know, we're not being able to solve this problem mainly because of political reasons, because nobody wants to mess with the farmers. So that's what paddy burning is. You know, if you have any questions, please share them in the comment section below. Thank you.